Hey everybody, my name is Shauna and welcome to my Shauna Moana channel. Today is Tuesday, you know what that means. Tuesdays and Fridays are my recording days. And we are just standing here in the basement today. Well, we are always in the basement, but I am normally recording in my room. And we are just here kind of for a new view. I don't like to have the same background all the time. So I figured, okay, standing here wouldn't be a problem. I have been up since around 5 o'clock or 5:30, and I'm so tired. What time is it? It's almost 7:30. So I want to record this, and then I want to go to bed. Well, of course I have to upload it first. See, I told you I'm tired. Normally what I would do is I would record and delete because I like to have my video a certain way, but I'm not messing up that bad, right? I want to say happy birthday to Taeyang from Bday. Of course, I'm wearing the hoodie. I always say this every time I wear this hoodie, at least I think I do. But every time I wear this hoodie, I like to, explain to you that I customized this myself. Like, I put all that together. They had no designs online that I could find. Like, I was trying to look for a Bday hoodie, and there was none that I liked. I couldn't find anything that was my style, so I decided to customize one myself. And this was about 70 or 80. So yeah, it's amazing. It's lightweight. It's not as soft as I thought it would be because I didn't get one of the more expensive materials, but it's pretty good. I like this hoodie, and yeah, I got the little crown that says Big Bang. So I got it, right? I had to get a K-pop hoodie, and Big Bang's like my favorite group. I also like Block B. Big Bang and Block B are like my two favorite groups that I like. Right, so I wish him a happy birthday. I wish Taeyang a happy birthday, and I have been a fan of K-pop, of Big Bang and many other groups for almost 10 years. And there's no sign of me stopping. K-pop's like my world, and I don't want to get out. Once you get in, you can't get back out. Sometimes you can get out, but I've been trapped for almost 10 years. So I don't think I'm going to be escaping anytime soon. God dang it. The reflection in my glasses from the window is really annoying. And because it's his birthday, I was watching this compilation video. It's K-pop idols twerking. And Taeyang can kind of twerk. I was going to twerk for today's video, even though I can't. Since so many other people have twerked in front of a camera, I think I might as well do it once for today because it's Taeyang's birthday. Right? I cannot twerk at all though. How do I? Everybody's still asleep, so I'm trying not to be too loud. I cannot twerk though. How do I? I cannot twerk. But I've seen Taeyang twerk, so that's why I kind of wanted to do it for today's video. Because it's his birthday, and I've seen him twerking, and he wasn't twerking for his birthday, it was an old video. So, okay, I can't. I can try. Now it just looks like I'm. It looks like I'm violating the coach. Alright. So one more time, because we're yeah, I can't. I gotta keep trying. This Now it just looks like I'm having a seizure. Like, how do you... That's just weird. This is the only video that I'm going to be twerking in. That was a fail. Listen, I am tired, okay? I need to get my sleeping schedule back on track because my entire sleeping schedule is messed up. I'm so tired. I can't believe I just like failed twerking. I'm like, how do you people just go like this? I don't know if I did it right. Half of this video is going to be me twerking, failing at twerking. Oh my god, we are halfway done this video. Alright. We have to move on, right? I can't believe I did that. But, you know what? This is my YouTube channel. I have to at least do something weird, even though I'm already weird. I just have to do something like weirder than what I normally do. I don't do any crazy things on my YouTube channel. I don't know if I'll get to it. You have to wait and see, okay? Moving on. Windsor's boot scooter. So there's this whole thing in Windsor, Ontario. I'm not really sure if it's happening in other cities, but there's a thing called a thing called bird scooter. I can't even say bird right. Bird scooter. So it's a scooter that you can download an app. You have to download an app for bird scooter, and then you scan the code, and then you can pay using a debit or credit card. And there's like 3 options. I forgot what the other 2 options are, which are very unhelpful for this video. But the one option is $20 for an hour, and it can go up to 10 miles per hour. It's quite fun. I actually tried it, and once I find the other 2 options, I'm going to put more information, and if there's a link for it, everything about the bird scooter is going to be in the description box down below, because I obviously didn't prepare for this video. I didn't prepare for today's video. I'm kind of just saying whatever. I do have a piece of paper, but it's not very good. And the last topic to end off this video, half of it's going to be me twerking. I've got apps on my phone now. So I had to get the bird scooter app, and my friend was very helpful. And now I have Facebook, TikTok, Messenger, I don't know what that is, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Snapchat. I have those apps on my phone, but here's the thing. I do not use my phone unless it's an emergency. I get it, it's helpful, it's what everybody's doing, or it's what most people are doing. And, you know, I'm just like, I'm 26. I get it, I'm almost 30. I feel like I'm old because I don't use apps, but they are helpful. It's because I don't want to be glued to my phone 24/7. I just use it for emergencies, and I get it, not everybody is glued to the phone. I do take breaks from the screen, which is a good thing to do. So yeah, I have apps on my phone, and I think this video is going to end at about 10 minutes, so I have just seconds to end off this video. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, turn on the bell for notifications. My social media links and everything that I just said is going to be in the description box down below. Like, if I forgot to say anything, information about the bird scooter, and I think that's it. I really don't know what else I have to say, but I'll see you all next time. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, by the way. I really appreciate everyone who takes time out of the day to watch my videos, and I just win the overtime. Just a little bit. I'll see you all next time, alright? Before this gets any more awkward. Peace.